Hi, this is Tony O'Brien. I created Food Mill, and in this video I'm going to show you how to determine how often you've purchased a particular item. So from the main menu, go to Reports, and Item Purchase Chronology is the fancy term that I use for saying how often you purchase something. So select that, and Food Mill will show you everything that you have in your personal database. In my case, I have quite a few items. The scan button up here is useful if you have an item in front of you and you just want to scan its barcode. If you do that, then you can skip the selection procedure. Scanning the barcode is just another way of selecting something. If you don't have the barcode in front of you, then you can use this interface instead. Now notice this text box down here. This is what's called a filter. You can type something in here and Food Mill will change this display to show only those items that match the filter term. You can also call it a search box. So but I don't want to search for something and I don't have a barcode, and I'm running in the emulator, so even if I did have a barcode, the emulator is not capable of scanning it because it doesn't have an actual camera. So I am going to select the socket, and then Food Mill will tell me how often I bought it. In this case, since I've only ever bought this once, Food Mill tells me that I've bought it once per week, once per month, once per year. But let's do something a little more realistic. When you press escape, Food Mill is going to take you back to the reports menu because it only does one item at a time. So select that again. Food Mill will show you all your stuff. And so let's say milk. I buy milk from Dillon's from time to time. So I'll select that, and Food Mill will tell me that on average I buy it half a time per week, 3.14 times per month, and 11 times per year. This isn't necessarily an accurate reflection of how many times I bought it, because this is an average. Some weeks, some months, some years, I'll buy the milk more frequently than others, but this is just an average. And that's all there is for this report. If you had any questions about it, I hope this report has answered those questions.